In this video, I will show you how to use your Facebook advertising account for your Instagram advert. So first of all, log into your Facebook ad manager. So for those who don't know how to log into the ad manager, you log into your Facebook account by going to facebook.com. So you go to facebook.com, for example, then you come to your left-hand corner and then you open the ad manager. So when you open the ad manager, it will now bring you to the ad manager. So when you come to the ad manager, first of all, you have to go to the your business settings. So I am in the ad manager, for example. I will click on all tools, then go to business settings. So I'm opening that in a new tab. So after you go to your business settings, your page, your Facebook page should have been added already. So for example, I have many pages. This is one of my pages. This is another and all that. Then you have to also connect your Instagram page, your Instagram account to one of your Facebook pages, the one you want to actually use for the advert. The Instagram account you want to use for the advert, you should connect it to its Facebook page. So for example, let's say I want to use this Instagram account. I want to use the Instagram account connected to this Facebook page to do the advert. So what I should do is I'll come to Facebook and then switch. I will switch to the page. Then click on the page, go to the settings of that page. Then go to linked accounts. Then you connect it. If it is not connected, it will have said connect. But because my own is connected already, is why it is saying disconnect. So I've already connected it. So I'll come back to the business manager settings. I'm back to the business manager settings. So once it is connected, you come to the Instagram account. You will see it here. In some cases, when you come to the Instagram account, they will ask you to still connect it. So if they ask you to still connect it, you would have just click on connect and then actually log in to connect it successfully. Then you see connected assets. So you click on the connected assets. Now, when you come to the connected asset, here you are seeing ad account. If I didn't connect it, the ad account will not show. So this is how you can connect your ad account to the Instagram account, the ad account you want to use from Facebook to run the advert on Instagram. So you click on add assets, then you select the ad account. So this is the ad account I want to use. It's already connected, but I still just want to show you. Then you click on add. Then you say one asset added, then you click on done. So when you do that, you will see that it will show here. So after that is done, you can use that ad account to now advertise for that particular Instagram account. So let's demonstrate and you see how it looks like. So I am going to the Instagram account. On the Instagram app. When I log into the account, as you can see, when I tap on Boost Post, you see it is still trying to use the old advertising account, which is not what I want. Let me show you what I mean exactly. If I come here and I go to orders and payment, then I go to promotion payment, and I go to add payments. You see they are using the payment method with the name David Asana. That is not the one I want. The one I want to use is called GIE, the new ad account. So what do I have to do? When I click on this and I try to change, it is trying to change to this one. These two are all personal ad account. No, that's not what I want. So I'll come back and then I'll still go back one step and click on add new payment method with a Facebook account. So I'll click on that. You see, it will say review Facebook ad account you are using. Review the Facebook ad account. So see, it says David Asana will be used for the Instagram ads. No, that's not what I want. So you can see that change Facebook ad account. Change Facebook ad account. So you click on change Facebook ad account. Then all of them have come. Then I'll now select the one I want. I want the GI80 new ad account, and I'll click on done. Then I'll click continue. So it says GI80 new Facebook ad account. Facebook ad account will be used. So as you can see now, I'm using the new ad account that I want. So if I try to now run an advert, boost a post or whatsoever, this is the Facebook ad account that will be used. The personal ad account that was used was still from Facebook, but I didn't want to use the personal ad account. So it is within your decision to choose. If you want to use the personal ad account, if you want to change to any other ad account, you can choose. And for some of you, then if you come to add new payment method with Facebook account, they will ask you to continue to log into Facebook. I have already logged in and connected them. That is why it didn't ask me to log in, but they would have asked you to log in if you didn't log in before, and you would have to do that. Now, if you follow this procedure and you have any problem, you can let me know by leaving your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the comments there. You can follow the WhatsApp link or the Telegram link to WhatsApp us. And after that is when you do the connection, and then you come back to the main screen, you can now click on boost post, and you can boost a post and all that. I've also done a video on how to do that. You can check the link above or in the video description. You'll be able to follow it to boost a post on on Instagram. But this one is specifically to help you be able to connect the Facebook ad account to the Instagram, to be able to use that particular ad account to run an advert. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.